Hey guys, welcome back. It's Killua. I technically took Death by Genesis' tablet. So hopefully this video gets a like for her not to kill me. But I'm gonna prove to you guys that I am 100% cat. Well, make that 50 because I'm still human. But one I have the cat ears and the cat tail, although I don't really, they don't really, they're not really attached to me, but, uh, this is kind of hard to explain because I'm not very good at explaining things to people, I guess. But, technically, they appear in the series sometimes. Okay, skipping on to the next thing, my claws, whenever I'm in killer mode, they come out, they appear, longer. Kind of like on how, a normal cat would do things, I guess. Their claws. I don't know, but, man. I feel like I'm the baka here. Ugh. Either way, but, 3, I guess you could say I make these weird cat faces. I hope it doesn't ruin my image, though. But I'm curious like a cat. And, I don't think I've ever meowed before. Hold on, have I? Nah. But, technically speaking, that is my third reason. My fourth would be, I have very fluffy hair. And I beg you guys to please stop playing with it. Otherwise, then I'll lose my fluff. And I won't be known as a man either. I'll just be known as a, I don't know. Whatever you want to describe what I am, I guess. I really don't have a list here, so I'm kind of stuttering because of that. I wear warm clothes. That's one thing. I mean, I guess it's different from where I live, depending on the weather. I have killer instincts. Although I really don't want to be a killer because it's really boring. I mean, I'd rather just hang out with Gon, you know? Because he, gets me from other people, I guess. What are other reasons? I like eating Choco Robos. It's a thing, okay? Cats have their own addictions. And so do I, but it's mostly sugar, so not the weird addictions that you think people have. But, skipping on, I guess cats are really smart, so, they know when to attack, and, they have good eye vision, and, I guess I have that too. And I can kind of fox walk. I have really quiet footsteps, but, I can also, sneak up on people. I can land on my legs. So those are some reasons I'm a cat. If you guys think of any others, just tell me, I guess. And please hope that Death by Genesis won't know about this. But anyways, I'll see you guys later, and, bye.